Today we have a set of single hung windows, which means the top sash is stationary. Even though this is a single hung window, I'll demonstrate how to remove the top window. If you have a double hung window, we'll start with the base. First, we'll raise the window up about 4 to 6 inches. Pull your clips, and you want it horizontal to remove. However, if you're just cleaning the window, you can let it rest like that. It's not suggested because it puts pressure on these clips and they could pop off and release. So, horizontal, level and flat. Lift up on this side until it pops out, like that. Then pull that way and it comes right out. Let me show this in detail. Here's the stem we just pulled out of the clip, and you can see it's flat in one direction and wider here. Here's the slot we just pulled the stem out of, and I'll use the screwdriver of the angle of the stem. It's flat, so it fits right in that slot. And when we went upward, it pulled out because the distance gets greater as you offset. Another thing I'd like to point out, when we put the window horizontal, it turns these keys and locks so it cannot move. So when you put the window back in and then turn the window upward, you're literally doing this. And now the window's free to go up and down. So when we pull the window horizontal, it turns that key and locks it from moving. So having an understanding of how this mechanism works greatly aids when installing and disengaging. Depending on the brand window you have, some have a cutout slot right through here, so you don't have to move this upward and it just slides right up and out. However, I believe these are JELD-WEN windows, so this has to move up in order to get the window out. So to reinstall, line up this slot, keeping the window horizontal on this bottom one, slide right in. Then catch the other one, move this one upward, and as you do, that pin goes in a bit more. And you might have to move it side to side, get it to click in. So it would be the same procedure on the top window, provided you have a double hung window. First, remove the bottom sash. Then you would pull your clips here, drop this down 4 to 6 inches, pull it inward, cock one way or the other, and pull it right out, and then put it back in same way as the bottom sash. So in the next video, if you're having trouble keeping the pin in the slot, I'll show you how to adjust that so it doesn't fall out again. And if you're experiencing a window that will not stay up, more than likely one or both sides have sprung loose. I'll show how to fix that. Also, you can see this window is cracked, so in an up and coming video, I'll show how to remove a stationary upper sash and get a replacement glass and install. I'll provide a link right here, over there,